Most small business owners do not fail because the owner gave up. They stay stuck because the owner never stopped doing wrong things. Here's what that actually looks like and how to get out of it. When most business owners realize that their business is stuck, the first thing they do is work harder, longer hours, more effort, maybe a new hire, maybe a new marketing strategy, and none of this moves the needle because the problem is not effort. The problem is structure. And until you fix the structure, you are just running faster on the same hamster wheel. Now, let me tell you what a stuck business actually looks like from the inside. The owner is involved in everything. Every decision, every customer question, every product that comes up. The team has capable people, but they call the owner constantly because there is no clear process telling them what to do when something goes sideways. The owner is also the best salesperson and the best technician and the one who knows where everything is. So when the owner is busy, everything slows down. When the owner is out sick, things start falling apart. Sound familiar? Here is the thing most business owners do not see. That is not loyalty from your team, that is dependency. And it's not a people problem, it's a systems problem. The business was built around the owner, not around a repeatable process. And the longer that goes on, the harder it becomes to change because now the owner is load-bearing and pulling them out of all the living things wobbles. So what keeps small businesses stuck? I see three things that come up over and over again. The first one is owner bottleneck. Every decision runs through the owner. Approvals, answers, direction. The team is waiting on the owner constantly. This creates a ceiling. The owner can only process so much in a day. So the business can only grow as fast as the owner can personally handle, which means it stops growing the moment the owner hits capacity. And most owners hit capacity years before they realize it. Now, the second one is invisible systems. Most small businesses run on unwritten rules and institutional knowledge that lives inside the owner's head. The owner knows how to handle a difficult client. The owner knows how to fix things that go wrong every Tuesday. The owner knows the shortcuts, but none of that is written down. None of it is teachable, so the team cannot replicate it. And the owner cannot step away. A business that runs on knowledge locked inside one person is not a business. It is a very demanding job with extra steps. The third one is the scaling trap. The owner sees the business is stuck, so they hire. They bring on more people, thinking that more hands will mean more output. But without clear systems and clear roles, most people just mean more chaos. More decisions running through the owner, more fires to put out, more overhead without more results. Now, I watched an owner in a service business do exactly this. They grew from 3 employees to 9 in over 2 years, but profit barely moved. His personal stress tripled because he never fixed the structure. He just added people on top of a broken foundation. So what does getting unstuck actually look like? First, you stop being the answer key. You identify the top 10 questions your team asks every week, and you create a clear, documented answer for every single one. Not a policy manual, just a clear, simple response they can reference without coming to you. Now, this alone will cut your interruptions significantly in 30 days. Now, second, you find the one process that causes the most problems when it breaks, and you document it. Not perfectly, just clearly enough so that someone else can follow it without asking you 3 questions. Start there, one process, then do the next one. Now, third, you stop rewarding dependency. Every time you jump in and solve the problems for your team, you are training them to bring problems to you instead of solving them themselves. Now, start asking them what they think the answer is before you give yours. Now, most of the time, they already know. They just learned that it is easier to ask you. None of this is complicated, but it requires the owner to stop being the center of everything, even temporary, even when it feels slower. And that is genuinely hard for most owners because they built the business by being the center of everything. It got them there. It is also exactly what is keeping them stuck. Getting a small business unstuck is not about working harder or hiring faster or finding some new strategy. It is about building a business that can operate without the owner personally involved in every single solitary moving part. Most biz owners know this, but they don't know how it is, what the time is or the outside perspective to actually build it. That is usually where the real work starts. Now, if this hit close to home, save this and share it with another business owner who needs to hear it. And if you want to talk through what it looks like in your specific business, the link to the book, to book a free strategy session is in the description. Hope to talk with you soon.